Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How Make Iced Strong Coffee, Calamansi, Citrus, and Strawberry Beige dish. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug from the mini metal bowl, and you pour the Calamansi, Citrus, and Strawberry halfway into this mug and adding coffee, which is strong, into this mug. Then after that, you add in the milk, and there you go, folks. Here is your iced strong coffee, Calamansi, Citrus, and Strawberry Beige edition. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching. Peace and cheers, and also have good summer. Thank you.